Well, a very fresh good afternoon to all my fellows and our English teacher, Mr. Ramesh sir. It's after a long time I'm here to speak in front of you all. It feels great to speak in front of you all in a topic that is single language is better than multiple language. Some people think that single language is better than multiple language because the world has come across to develop a global village. So when we will have a single language, it will be easier for us to communicate business works or to express our feelings more properly if there will be a single language. Some people will say that if there will be a single language, then the other's language culture will be discarded. But I don't think so, because if there will be a single language, we can also celebrate our cultures of different languages, because the people living in foreign countries are also celebrating their language, speaking their language and celebrating their cultures and everything. So if there will be a single language, we can easily express our feeling and we won't need the interpreters anymore. That's why I think that single language is better than multiple languages. Thank you.
Brilliant and handsome English teacher, Mr. Ramesh Kushwaha sir, and all of my friends. Well, I am known by the name of Anjali Patel from class 10. Today I am standing in front of you all to give a debate on the topic of single language is better than multiple language. Several languages dies out. Single language is better than multiple languages. From my point of view, it's true. Whenever we need to go in different countries, we feel very difficult to interact with people. Due to the help of single language, we can easily interact with the people. Nowadays, the development of recent science and technology has a great role to make our world as a global village. We can easily interact with the people with the help of internet and so on. So, due to the importance of English language internationally, people prefer more to speak English than their own languages. They are forgetting their own languages. So, single language has a benefit that we can easily interact with all over the world without any hesitation and disturbance. It also helps in the economic growth, as we don't need any interpreters to interpret our language in other languages, and it also helps to increase our pride all over the world, as it builds our integrity and sovereignty in all the countries. By saying this much, I would like to depart from here. Thank you.
A very fresh, warm good afternoon to you all. It's me Ritesh Kalwar from Standard 10, and I am here to represent about single language is better than multiple language. It means that single language is better and more sufficient for common peoples who are interacting with the other peoples of other countries, like the business. In business field, many businessmen are feel difficult to interact with other peoples for their expanding of their business. They need a translator for the another countries to interact with the other peoples. With the single language, we can interact with ourselves only, and we feel much sufficient to talk with anyone. We can feel.
Good afternoon to you, Ramesh sir, and all my friends who are present out here. I am known by the name of Khushbu Gupta from Standard 10, and I am here to present in the favor of single language is better than multiple language. As we know that single language has more priority than other language. For example, we can take an example of English language. It is also a language which is highly prioritized by the world and the peoples. It is given more priority in government works as well as in local language also. In other countries, many people speak their own language along with English language. In our country, our national language is Nepali, but all the government works, especially local works, used to do in.
Afternoon to you all, respected our English teacher Mr. Ramesh Kushwaha sir. Today I am going to say a debate on the speech of single language is better than multiple language. If there will be single language, we can easily communicate with each other without any misunderstanding. We can share ideas and view through the whole world, idea to the through world. A single language is better than the multiple language. Thank you.
Our English teacher, Mr. Ramesh Kushwaha sir, and all of my friends. I am known by the name of Sania Kushwaha from Standard 10. I am presenting here debate on the topic of single language is better than multiple language. As we know that single language is most important. Single language is more priority than the other language. Single language is better than multiple language because single language is easy to communicate with the other peoples. If the student go abroad for the education, most of the educations are learned in English language, as English language also important as international language through all over the world. People used to communicate mainly in English language through all over the world by the communicating each other without any misunderstanding or problem. English language given in every sector for the communicate people with understandable way and without any misunderstanding or dispute. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected teachers and all of my dear and near friends. Well, I am known by the name of Anushka Yadav from Standard 10. I would like to thanks to our English teacher as RK sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to express my words in front of all. Now I am going to start. Now I am going to people language. In my view, it is true, because if there will be one language in the whole world, then there will be more easy to express our words in front of another people, and there will be more easier to. Thank you. All respected our English teacher, Mr. Ramesh Kushwaha sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak something in front of you all on the burning issue that single language is better than multiple language. As we know that using single language, people can communicate with one another very easily. It makes easy for all the people as global citizen.
Very first and cool good afternoon to you all, honorable teacher and all near and dear friends who are present out here. It's me Himanshi Malik from Standard 10. Today I am present here for debate on the topic of multiple language is better than single language. I think language is influenced our thought, and our thought is influenced.
Good afternoon everybody, here present most respected teacher and my friend, it's me Pushpanjali Malik, Standard 10. Topic name is single language is better than multiple language.
From Standard 10, I am presented in single language is better than multiple language. In my view, single language is.
You all. It's Miss Neha Tiwari from Standard 10. I am going to say something. Single language is better than multiple language because I think that life will be easier if there will be single language in the world. As we know that the development of recent technology has a significant role to create a global village through the